An earthquake can happen in any place at any time, including here in Northern Virginia. In August of 2011, there was a 5.8 magnitude earthquake that was felt across the region. So, do you know what to do in case an earthquake happens? Let's talk about some steps that your family can take before any emergency happens. Develop a family plan and put together an emergency kit. Build a personal support team to check on you in case you need assistance. Create safe spaces by securing heavy furniture and other items that could fall, injure you, or block your way out. So now, imagine you feel the ground shaking and you think an earthquake might be happening. What do you do? If you can, drop, cover, and hold on. Drop to your hands and knees and cover your head and neck with your arms. If you are near steady furniture, hold on until the shaking stops. If you are in a bed or a recliner, stay there and cover your head and neck with a pillow or your arms until the shaking stops. If you are in a wheelchair or if you use a walker, lock your wheels, bend over, and get as low as possible and cover your head and neck until the shaking stops. If you use a cane, drop, cover, and hold on if you can. If you can't get on the ground, sit on a bed or chair and cover your head and neck until the shaking stops. If you have an infant, pick up the baby in your arms and hold the child against your chest and carry them as you drop, cover, and hold on. If you have an older child, the adult can still provide protection by crouching over and surrounding the child with their body or using their arm to pull the child up next to the adult, holding them in place. If you are pregnant, try to get down on the ground if you can. If you can't, sit on a chair and cover your head and neck with your hands while you bend over, protecting your stomach as much as possible. What happens if you're not at home? If you're inside, stay there until the shaking stops. Do not run outside. There may be falling debris. If you are in a high-rise building, you can expect the fire alarms or sprinklers to go off. Remember, like other emergencies, do not use the elevator. If you're in a vehicle, stop in an open area if you can. So what's next? Practice your plans. You can hold drills at home, work, and in your community. Make sure to sign up for Fairfax alerts so you can get emergency information in a timely manner. You can go to fairfaxcounty.gov/alerts. If you have additional questions, visit the Fairfax County Office of Emergency Management's website at fairfaxcounty.gov/emergency/readyfairfax.